Hello, my name is Sarah Jors and my company is Triumph Group, Inc. Triumph is an international supplier of aerospace components and systems. Jeffrey D. Frisby is the Chief Executive Officer, CEO for short, as well as the President of the company. Jeffrey is known for his outstanding record of performance as well as his leadership and management skills. In fast-paced industries, companies should think of strategy as an iterative loop with 4 steps. Step 1, make sense. Step 2, make choices. Step 3, make things happen. And step 4, make revisions. These steps are also known as the strategy loop. An example of how Jeffrey might use strategy loop at Triumph. First step is to always gather raw data from different sources to identify patterns from a welter of information that is complex, incomplete, conflicting, ambiguous, and of uncertain reliability. This is meant to develop a shared mental model that helps people anticipate how events might unfold. It should give people just enough clarity to proceed through the next strategy loop. So when it comes to designing an airplane structure, people know the idea of it, but not the final project. From there, Jeffrey would need to determine the right priorities, but the process of that is just as important. For example, choices like who to make a deal with, what materials to use, where to invest, and so on. Then comes a simple but powerful mechanism, the promise. The make things happen stage. Once Jeffrey decides who to make deals with, what materials to build with, where to invest, etc., he has to make a personal pledge to others that he will in fact get things done and make things happen. Both customer and provider refer to roles in this loop. Lastly, Jeffrey recognizes emerging patterns in order to anticipate new opportunities and threats within the aerospace business. In any discussion to make revisions, CEOs should treat actions as experiments and learn from them. Learn where to improve and learn where they were brilliant. On to the next question. Triumph has a lot of examples of information goods. Information goods meaning a type of commodity whose main market value is derived from the information it consists and contains. So for example, designing an airplane where to fly, CDs containing instructions and information, or a computer file with designs of airplanes and models as a piece of program. Triumph, along with other companies, protects these kinds of valuable information. Thank you for listening to my company, Triumph Group, Inc.